Hello once again. As I have already said, Ubiquitous Plug and Play framework is a universal platform for machine-to-machine communications. It allows to create many different kinds of machine-to-machine applications, not just only voice pilot, but for example, different kinds of multimedia applications which allow to send multimedia streams from between many different kinds of multimedia-enabled devices. And for example, we have created multimedia application, machine-to-machine multimedia application, which is called a mobile reporter. This application allows to send multimedia streams cached up from the embedded video camera of the smartphone and send the streams to any kind of consumer electronic multimedia devices. For example, here we have a network-enabled multimedia player based on Popcorn Hour firmware, and we have installed Ubiquitous Plug and Play functionality inside this device. And now I'll show you how both of these devices will cooperate using our framework. Okay, let's start mobile application. Let's start mobile reporter application. As we can see, when we start mobile reporter, it caches up video from embedded camera and shows it on the screen. When we press this button, Stream to, mobile reporter will try to discover any kind of available devices which have the possibility to receive media streams from video camera. Okay, let's start. Here you can see the discovery process. Okay, we have found one device. It is called IconBit player. This is the IconBit player presented here. And when I choose this player, our smartphone and this player will negotiate the most optimal way of interoperation between each other. They negotiate code, multimedia codecs, which can be used during the dynamic operation, and they will negotiate any other kind of necessary parameters. Okay. As you can see, the devices establish dynamic operation, and Popcorn Hour player is preparing to receive multimedia stream from smartphone. It takes some time to buffer content, and here you can see the multimedia stream. As you can see, everything that is cached up by video camera is rendering on the screen, on the TV screen attached to multimedia player. Here, for example, we can see our patents on our technologies. Here is our operator, for example. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. And this way you can see that we can stream in real time everything what is received by video camera of the smartphone, and render it on any kind of consumer electronic boxes. Okay, let's stop streaming. When you stop it, you can see that it is stopped here, and the device is ready to receive another streams. Okay, let's exit from mobile reporter, and now I'd like to show you another application. It is also a multimedia application, which is based also on our technology and allows to make another use cases between these two devices. This application is a functional analog to Apple AirPlay, the so-called Apple AirPlay technology. It allows to do practically the same things, but based on totally different technological components. It is based on our framework. And okay, let's start with the demonstration. As you remember, Apple AirPlay allows to send any kind of multimedia content which is stored on your device, to send it on any kind of networked players, for example, Apple TV. And our technology allows to do the same thing, but based on our principles and not just locked on just only one proprietary technology, just like Apple do, but using different kinds of runtime environments. For example, here we can see Android operating system, and here we can see Popcorn or firmware. It is different kind of environment. Okay, we can open. Here we can see some example videos, and we can open just, for example, this video, and we have here a button, stream to. When we press the button, we also see the discovery process, and icon bit is found as a potential player which can receive the stream of this video file on it. Okay, when we choose icon bit, the devices also negotiate. Take please the picture. Okay, the device will negotiate and establish dynamic cooperation. And as we can see, the video is streaming at runtime into multimedia box and rendering on the screen. Okay, we can stop it. And we'll try to send another file. For example, let it be number 1. Play. Here you can see it is playing locally, and when I send this one to icon bit, you can see here you can see that this video item is streaming in real time to your consumer electronic box. And so these devices are operating in real time. And you can control all of the process of multimedia streaming from the screen of your smartphone. You can use your smartphone as a remote control for this video session. Okay, let's stop it. Okay. As you can see, you can create different kinds of applications on our Ubiquitous Plug and Play framework. And these examples are just only examples. You can create any other different kinds. For example, you can use our technology in intelligent transportation systems. You can use our technology for building machine-to-machine applications in energy metering, smart energy metering, and so on. That's all. Thank you.